Can I? Okay. My name is Professor Ben Ayade, Governor of Cross River State. I'm here this morning to pay my respect and do kind consultation with our national chairman, the man who comes with a large armada of experience and capacity, a man whose eloquence and wisdom is next to none. My colleague in the Senate, my senior governor, who has seen it all. I have come here to also report to you kindly that I met with Mr. President yesterday. After due consultation with Mr. President, I have this presidential note to proceed with my aspiration to be the candidate of our great party, the APC, as the presidential candidate for the 2023 elections. My chairman, sir, I am here before you to pledge my loyalty as a party faithful and to assure you that I will play within the ambits and dictates and the beacons of our party constitution and will respect the leadership of this party for which you are the chairman. I have grown with the understanding that leadership is supreme and that it is God that gives leadership. God has made you our national chairman. I will always abide by the instructions and by whatever prescriptions that the party will give from time to time. I am committed and I want to assure you that my role is to work hard to ensure that we enthrone APC as the party that will produce the next president of this country. My ambition for the post and position of the president of this country is driven by my own childhood experience, having been weaponized by childhood poverty, succeeding at the tender age of 25 to overcome all of that, grown to where I am, having conquered poverty in my private life and in my corporate life, having served as senator, as governor, two-term governor, a lawyer, a professor, with long-standing experience, having shared romance with poverty, I think that I have the street wisdom, I have the exposure, the intellect, the capacity that can help support Mr. President to continue from where he stops so that there's a seamless continuum of our APC party to bring and usher in a new horizon of prosperity, reduce the kind of a bureaucracy, the hardship and difficulty occasioned by these associated challenges of the whole world at this time. My belief, therefore, is that I will join hands with the party to enthrone a leadership that reflects the integrity that our president represents. Mine is to support and key from where he has stopped, to drive the process of succession, to sustain the continuity and sustain those noble projects of his, and of course, add my own innovation so that ultimately the pride of Africa will remain Nigeria. The elephant, this big elephant, this big giant of Africa will indeed be a walking giant that will be a pride of all of us. I want to guarantee you my total support and that I will work with you seriously to ensure that your party, under your leadership, our great party, will be stronger and stronger, given your experience, given your capacity that I know so much. I therefore, having done consultation with you privately, I want to openly declare my ambition to be the presidential candidate of our great party. Thank you very much.
The one and only digital governor.
Thank you.
And only APC as that kind of governor.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Pleasure receiving you.
Thank you very much.
What you can do, and I do know as a fact that you are our only standing man in the south of this country in the APC as governor, the only APC governor in the south. And we have a lot of attention, a lot of confidence in you and your drive, and we've seen the transformation in your state. I have reason to believe that what you are doing is just the right thing. Consulting. This is a property that is owned by every APC member. And as a presidential candidate for every part, or every Nigerian living who is interested in politics and who leads him. So mine is to wish you the best of luck and to assure you that this party will work on ensuring that we have the best and only the best to present to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I wish you all the luck that you need to succeed.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
The digital chairman.
My digital brother.
Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Okay. With the chairman. So
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.